We saw a bison walking in the middle of the road ahead of us. So, we naturally stopped. Yellowstone rule requires a distance of 25 yards from bisons. You can see the driver on the opposite side of the road tailgating the bison as well as flashing his headlights. The driver should have stopped and allowed the bison to move to the side of the road. Instead, the bison is heading towards our car. We don't know what this massive bison might do, as bisons are unpredictable. Bisons have been known to ram cars. We just stayed quiet and didn't move. On this trip, which was 2 weeks stay at Yellowstone, I saw drivers curse at bisons, honk at them, and shout at them to get out of the way. Some people come to nature with their behavioral problems, and never find inner peace. Anyway, look at this incredible close-up as the bison walks by.